Sister, na Yoruba guy o.
No money.
Na Yoruba guy. If Igbo guy no price, you no go gree. Even you go price as they see you. Say you gree this price, abi you no gree. If you no gree, where you dey go?
Seriously, I won't lie. Igbo guys, yes, because they are rich and they are not stingy like Yoruba guys. Yoruba guys are stingy. They don't like spending money.
Yoruba guys, oh. Yoruba guys. I think Igbo guys spend more. I don't know. I'm Yoruba, and I know some Yoruba guys. Even when they have the money, they wouldn't want you to know. They don't like spending too much if they're not getting something back in return. But Igbo guys like to kind of like show that they have it. Yoruba guys.
Why you say Yoruba guys?
Igbo stingy, no. The Igbo people stingy, eh? Hey. To me, it's Igbo guys, oh.
Why do you say Igbo guys?
Because they have the money.
Yoruba guys, they do spend money most than Igbo guys.
Igbo guys, they are after their money. You see them a lot in the market. They don't even have time for their wife.
Yoruba guy, yeah, very romantic, but they can't spend.
Let's say the Yoruba guys.
Yoruba guys,
Why?
Because the Yoruba guys, they are not caring. Igbo guys though, they have this sweet mouth, oh, baby. No, Yoruba guys are romantic. They are very, very, very romantic. Yes.
Yoruba guys,
Why?
because they are caring and nice and also lovely.
These Yoruba guys.
Yoruba guys are caring.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
Igbo guys have money.
Igbo guys are not caring, no. They think about their money first.
Yoruba guys,
Yoruba guys. Why do you say Yoruba guys?
because they are caring and they're not street so much.
I think it's Yoruba guys. Yeah. Yoruba guys, they are loving and they are caring.